The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation stealth fighter aircraft developed for the United States Air Force. Widely regarded as one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world, it excels in air superiority and multi-role missions. Below is a detailed explanation of the F-22's key features, performance, technology, and history. 1. Overview. Manufacturer, Lockheed Martin Aeronautics, lead developer, Boeing assembly, and some systems support. First flight, September 7, 1997. Operational entry, December 15, 2005. Officially deployed by the U.S. Air Force. Role, air superiority fighter, limited ground attack capability. Production total, approximately 195 units, including prototypes, with 187 for operational use. Unit cost, approximately $150 million production cost only. Approximately $350 million including development. The F-22 was designed to combine stealth technology, supercruise capability, advanced sensor fusion, and exceptional maneuverability to dominate modern air combat, primarily focusing on neutralizing enemy fighters and air defense systems. 2. Key features. Stealth performance. Radar cross-section RCS. The F-22's RCS is extremely small, estimated at around 0.0001 square meters, the size of a golf ball, making it difficult to detect. Design. The aircraft's surface uses radar-absorbent materials and shapes to absorb or scatter radar waves, with weapons and sensors housed internally. Infrared IR reduction. Engine exhausts are designed to minimize heat signatures, reducing the likelihood of infrared detection. Supercruise. The F-22 can sustain supersonic speeds above Mach 1.5 without afterburners, enhancing fuel efficiency and tactical flexibility during long-range missions. Maneuverability, thrust vectoring. Equipped with 2D thrust vectoring nozzles, the F-22 can adjust engine exhaust direction up and down, providing superior maneuverability, especially in high angle of attack situations. Maximum speed, Mach 2.25. Approximately 2,410 km. Service ceiling, approximately 65,000 feet, 19,812 meters. Advanced electronics. Radar, the AN/APG-77, AESA Active Electronically Scanned Array Radar, uses low probability of intercept LPI technology, making it hard for enemies to detect while tracking multiple targets simultaneously. Sensor fusion integrates data from various sensors to provide real-time situational awareness to the pilot. Electronic warfare, EU, features systems to jam or deceive enemy radar and communications. Armament. Internal weapon bays. Weapons are stored internally to maintain stealth. Air-to-air missiles. AIM-120 AMRAAM medium range. AIM-9 Sidewinder short range. Air-to-ground weapons, JDAM precision-guided bombs, SDB small-diameter bomb. External hardpoints, optional external weapon mounting is possible, but reduces stealth. Cannon, M6-1 A2 Vulcan 20 mm, cannon 480 rounds. 3. Design and technology. Airframe, constructed with titanium, aluminum, and composite materials for strength and lightweight performance. Engines, 2 Pratt & Whitney, F119 PW100 turbofan engines, each delivering approximately 35,000 pounds of thrust. Avionics, integrated avionics reduce pilot workload and enable rapid decision-making. Stealth maintenance, the radar-absorbent coating RAM, requires regular upkeep to maximize stealth performance. 4. Operational history. Development background. The F-22 emerged from the Advanced Tactical Fighter ATF program in the 1980s, designed to counter Soviet fighters like the Su-27 and MiG-29. Deployment, officially operational since 2005, with bases at Langley Air Force Base, Virginia, and Elmendorf Air Force Base, Alaska. Combat experience. The F-22 has conducted limited air-to-ground missions against ISIS in Syria and Iraq, though it has yet to see extensive air superiority combat. Production halt. Production ceased in 2011 due to high costs and the prioritization of the F-35 program. 5. Strengths and limitations. Strengths. Stealth and detection advantage. Offers high survivability against enemy radar and missiles. Versatility. capable of air superiority and precision strike missions. Cutting-edge technology, sensor fusion, and network-centric warfare capabilities provide a significant edge. Limitations: high cost, development, production, and maintenance costs have limited large-scale deployment. Export restrictions: U.S. security policies prohibit F-22 exports, despite requests from Japan and Israel. Aging concerns: the relative advantage may be waning with the rise of newer fifth-generation fighters like China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57, as well as the F-35. 6. Present and future. Current status: as of 2025, the F-22 remains a cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force, with approximately 180 units in service. Replacement plans: the Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD program is developing a successor, targeting deployment in the early 2030s. Upgrades: ongoing improvements focus on sensors, software, and weapon integration. 7. Interesting facts. Unmatched maneuverability: the F-22 has wowed audiences at air shows with extreme maneuvers like the Pugachev's Cobra and Herbst maneuver. Secrecy: some stealth technology and performance details remain classified. Cultural impact: the F-22 has appeared in films like Transformers and Iron Man, boosting its pop culture presence. 8. Conclusion. The F-22 Raptor represents a perfect blend of stealth, speed, maneuverability, and advanced technology, revolutionizing air combat in the early 21st century. However, its high costs and export restrictions have prevented its full potential from being realized. Nonetheless, it remains one of the world's premier air superiority fighters and continues to influence future fighter development.